Hello my friends, welcome back to J Spark Makeup. Today you guys, I am going to try this powder out. I buy this powder on Temu. So this is the powder. It's a romantic flower powder cake. So this is what I'm going to try out on my face. The packaging is really nice, you guys. And then let's show you how the powder look in this case here. So it come with a sponge here. It also have a mirror, and this is the shade of the powder that I'm going to use on my face. So let's try it out and see how it does look. So I am going to start to apply it to the face. So let's see how it does work on the face. And this was not like a hectic price for it. It was just a small, but I saw that they look so cute on the side, and I decided that I wanted to try one out. I didn't even have to I did not even have to, I just choose the shade that I want. They have darker than this, they have more lighter, and they have this shade. So this is how it look here on the face, very matte powder, and it does look really nice on the face here. So the name of this powder are Radiant Flower. The packaging is really nice. The packaging look expensive, like it is an expensive powder, and it just let my face look really natural, matte, and also this really look nice on the face. Usually when I just started to shop on Temu, I would buy skincare, but I stopped it because I don't think you should buy skincare on Temu. But this is how the powder look. You can see how it look on my face here. Looks really nice, really nice, you guys, on the face. So this is how it look. It has a mirror, and also this is the front of the packaging for the powder, and this is the back, where you can also see what inside this powder here. It is really a nice natural powder. So yeah, it's really nice. It looks nice, it looks natural on the skin. You can see how natural this thing looks. It's really nice and natural. Really nice and natural, you guys. It's not heavy, just like a matte powder, which look natural. So I just want to say thank you again for watching, and please sub to my channel, turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video you can be notified. God bless you, and I want to say have a great day. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.